September 23rd, Saturday, and today Tino Gomez, OJ Moreno, and myself, we're heading up to Eagle Pass to do some gambling and eat some of the best barbecue in Texas. ¿Cómo se llama el lugar?
Wagon Wheel.
Wagon.
To US 83.
Knocked out our coffee. Got to maintain energy for this 5-hour road trip.
Yeah, it's only for the way over, not the way out that way.
Inspection station. Aquí en un ghost unit, nobody's even in there. We have made it to Wagon Wheel in Eagle Pass, Texas. Tino todavía batallando para parquearse. Yeah, it's a massive dog. Oh, cover your eye. You gotta spit. I thought you were gonna get a granito.
I know.
Got about 30-minute wait. We're in line. First in line, actually. How was the 5-hour trip, Tino?
Smooth. It's good. It was
Nah, it wasn't 5 hours. How long did it take?
4 hours.
Tino didn't even allow us to take a restroom break, man. Had to hold it until we got here to Eagle Pass.
That's the thing.
About to bust, man. Hey, this guy's got a nice little setup. He gets to see all the cars pass by. También ha dado todo el chisme when he's cooking. This is a Wagon Wheel mascot right here, ¿verdad? Tráetelo, Tino. Load him on the truck. 5 minutes, Henrys. 5 minutes. We're Wagon Wheel ready here.
If you finish the chicken fried steak all by yourself, and the sides, the roll, everything, you get your money back.
So you gonna try it out or what, OJ?
One per person though.
So we're gonna share it. Ready? All right. Hi, it's the same for like chicken fried steak and meat. It's all here, right?
Any barbecue here with me, anything from the kitchen or chicken fried steak right down here.
Can we order that at the end though?
Yeah. Yeah, first you can start off with
Okay.
barbecue and then anything else.
Oh yeah. This is just the barbecue, man. We still need the chicken fried steak. What do you think, OJ? What do you think?
It's amazing. That spread looks really good. The ribs.
Neta que the ribs look freaking awesome,
Chicharron
bro.
mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, so we got chicharron mac and cheese. We got potato salad, cream
We got
corn.
fries coming.
We got a half rack of ribs,
Got some
brisket,
fries.
pound of brisket, and a bunch of little garnishes. Gonna tear it up, boys.
It's looking good. Looking
Gonna
good.
tear it up. First on the list is rib. The rib could be more tender, but the sauces are pretty good.
That's definitely tasty.
What do you think, man?
That's good, man. The sauce is good.
You know, the sauce is good.
It's very good. Sauce is good.
The sauce is very good. Up next, we got the potato salad. Let's see. Oh, nice, cold, crunchy. The mac and cheese needs to be a little more like softer, I think,
Or creamier.
and creamier. Chicharron mac and cheese sounded a lot better than what it actually tastes like, but it's alright.
Is this supposed to be crunchy or what? It's like chicharron?
I don't know, but it should be creamier. Potato salad is really good though. Very good. Although Tino's not a fan of potato salad.
Oh, really?
So when we got here, we were gonna take off and then come back.
I'm glad.
Tino convinced us otherwise, and I'm glad that he did because check that out. Line is out the door
All the way to the park.
over here, and I think there's some people over here on this side. We're literally the first ones in line, first ones to order, first ones to get our meal. Oh yeah.
I think the sauce
Next on the list
brisket's really good.
is the brisket. And Tino says there's not a lot of smoke to it. He's right. The smoke ring isn't that
Present, pronounced.
present.
But now it sounds good.
It's got a very good taste though. It's better than I think I like it more than La Barbecue's brisket. No?
Better than blacks.
Try with a
No,
little
for
bit
sure
of
better
the
than
sauce.
blacks.
Try
For sure
with
better
the
than.
homemade sauce.
Let's check it out. Let's get some sauce here.
Careful, 'cause
Is that like
this
a whole
works.
bottle of tequila or something?
Alright. Dump a little bit out. Alright. Dude, that sauce is awesome. Oh my
Almost
god.
tastes like a salsa, but it's barbecue. Right?
The sauce is awesome. What's your favorite so far between the sausage, brisket, and ribs? 100%, right?
Yeah, ribs.
Real good. Look at that, man. They look pretty. Oh, here it is. The main event.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
How about you, sir? Thank you.
Buddy. We're just gonna do threes. I think we just cut in a bunch of sides, right? The main event. Chicken fried steak. Oh God.
I was saying it's
hot.
steaming.
But it's good. It's hot, but it's good. Oh, the meat is tender. The meat is tender. The gravy's gravy. The crunch is crunchy. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. It's hot. What do you think, Tino?
Very good.
It's tender. It's not chewy.
Very tender.
It's clean, lean.
Good crunch. Good flavor. It's a winner.
Yeah. Let's start with the ratings here. First, we're gonna start off with the meat.
Chicken fried
Whoa.
steak.
Chicken fried steak number 1.
Chicken fried steak.
What's number 2?
Ribs.
Tino?
Ribs.
Ribs. Let's go to our least favorite meat.
The brisket.
Brisket.
Brisket wasn't too bad though.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't too bad. It was
In
good.
comparison to what the other stuff we had,
Okay.
definitely on the low
Now,
side.
out of the sides, we had fries, we had beans, we had potato salad, we had chicharron mac and cheese, and we had, what is that?
Cream corn.
Cream corn. What was
Cream
the
corn was my favorite. Least favorite, the chicharron mac, and I don't eat potato salad.
I only have potato salad and fries. Potato salad was a favorite, and then fries.
My favorite was a potato salad. That thing was fresh, man, and it was crunchy and cold. Golly. My least favorite, I would agree with Tino. I mean, I'm not a big fan of fries, so I'm not even gonna count those. But this looked a lot better when it was presented than what it ended up tasting like. It was very, it was, yeah, it was very dry, man.
Not creamy enough for sure.
Not creamy at all. But overall, very, very delicious meal. We're gonna keep working at it. OG's taking a little breather, then he's gonna come back in.
I'll get my Kobayashi moves a little bit.
We're doing it, people. We're doing it. OG's getting the last of his.
There's no way I would have been able to.
Tino's getting the last of his. Tino, so your strategy is to mix it with the sauce.
Yeah, I love the
Dipping
sauce.
Sauce is really good. But I don't want to taint what should be the natural flavor of a chicken fried steak.
The gravy.
Dude, that is so tender. It is so tender, man. All right, we are done with Wagon Wheel. Thank you all. We gones. Chick. Check it off the list. What do you think, Tino? Give it the official rating.
Say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Definitely worth the trip.
All right. What about you, OJ?
Worth the trip. Well
Worth the trip?
Hell yeah.
1 to 10.
I'm putting it up there at a 9.
9?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to put it at a 9 as well. This is worth the trip. Definitely worth the 5 hours. Best chicken fried steak I've ever had. 100%. 100%. Oh, guys, it's Mimi's time. We're gonna go see Tino's tia. We're gonna get some pan dulce. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. We really. It sounds funny, but we really are gonna go see his tia because she lives close by. So I'm hoping she has a recliner because I'm gonna take a nice long nap there while they're chatting it up and you know, catching up on old times. But